How to set up ACH payments in the Bank of America. Now in this quick video, I'm going to be straightforward with you and show you how you can set up ACH payments in the Bank of America. The first things first, ACH payment is an electronic bank-to-bank transfer in the US processed through the automated clearinghouse network rather than card networks. Now, the very first thing that you want to have to do is choose between the application or via the web version of the Bank of America. Of course, you need to log in using your user ID and password. Now, once you've accessed your account online, navigate through the transfers option or the bill pay option for you to add an external account. Now, input the details, the recipient's routing number, the bank account number, and the type if it is a checking or a savings account. Now verify and complete the whole process or the steps, often small deposits to activate the transfer capability. Now once you've successfully set it up, then all you have to do is to use the Bank of America Cash Pro for initiating ACH, ensuring the accuracy of the effective vary date and amount for each transaction. And that is how you set up ACH payments in the Bank of America.